It is nature that we cannot interfere with. Sometimes it's imaginary and sometimes it seems annoying. Some animals can be spotted collecting other dead animals. Sometimes this method works. Sometimes the whole situation is annoying. Follow us in this video to get to know the most famous animals that may seem cute to you, but her behavior is strange in sex. Ravens. Crows are among the animals that love to have dead crows intercourse with their males. Some scientists even monitored a group of crows. She is trying to collect dead pigeons. These crows often detect aggressive behavior. It also spreads this behavior during the mating season. Scientists have not found a main reason for this behavior. Most expectations indicate that either the reason is to get food, or to get rid of a dead animal, as an outsider to the area, or maybe it's just trying to have sex with other animals. Frogs. Frogs are one of the most loved animals by humans. They are also cold-blooded animals. Therefore, it becomes difficult to determine a live frog from a dead one, until one of the types of baby frogs that spread in Brazil. Her sexual behavior is kinda weird. The male is called Rhinella proboscidea. He is able to extract eggs from inside a dead female frog. It also successfully fertilizes eggs, where the frog climbs the back of the female frog and presses on her stomach, until the eggs are extracted and then they are successfully fertilized. Penguins. A biologist was the first to notice the sexually strange behavior of penguins. Biologist George Murray, who expressed this by explaining that the dead penguin was laid. It is somewhat similar to the position of a female penguin in a mating position, which explains the penguin's return to sex with the carcass of another dead penguin. He cannot tell the difference. Ducks. Ducks may look cute, but their sexuality is very strange. German biologist Kees Molleker, he is one of those who have studied this behavioral aspect of duck life. Molleker remembers he was sitting in his office when he heard a sound. He looked into the window. A dead male duck was found on the ground and one of the other males was standing nearby. Then the live male began to have sex with the dead male for a period of 75 minutes. After the live male got bored, Molleker went and took the dead male's body and froze it for study. This study was one of the first studies published on the first case of homosexuality, which was spotted in ducks and for which Molleker won the Nobel Prize in Biology in the year 2003. American monkey. It is a type of small monkey, which is widespread in Brazil. A monkey jumps from one tree to another. Once upon a time, while jumping between trees, a male and a female fell. Looks like the female died instantly, until the male kept calling her and jumping around her. He tries to defend it against the rest. He also issued some cries that are only fired when predators approach the herd. This was explained by the fact that he was trying to scare her, and he thought she was still alive. He made a sexual attempt with her. Perhaps it was the female while she was lying on the ground. The reason why he thought she wanted to have sex with her. Otters. In the year 2010, one of the annoying behaviors of otters was observed, where 3 male otters were spotted. They share sex with some dead otters for 7 consecutive days. Some of these bodies were preserved for autopsy. Some of these corpses were also deeply wounded. Dolphins. In May of the year 2000, a couple of male dolphins were spotted watching a dead female dolphin. The 2 males had sex with the corpse. The 2 have eaten on it, climbed to the surface of the water to breathe, and when the corpse was turned on its back, the 2 males were seen approaching the corpse face to face. And when the 2 males were half a meter away from the body, the 2 were seen ejaculating.